every breath that rises from my chest. I find no claim to call this life my own. I've stepped down from the throne of self-design, for at the cross your blood has made me known. The world may see the grave as silent defeat, but for me it's where your arms and mercy meet. For none of us shall live unto ourselves, and none of us shall die unto ourselves. Every heartbeat echoes one great name. Whether I live or die, I am yours. Through the valley or the height, I am yours. You are Lord of the living, Lord of the dead. The power of the grave is broken, just as you said. The Christ who was slain is the King who rose. Forever yours, I am forever yours. If I ascend to the heavens, you are there. If I make my bed in the depths, you find me there. Your sovereignty outruns the reach of time. No shadow and no death can sever what is mine. My fear is swallowed up in victory's light, for I am hidden in your power and your might. The keys of death are held within your hand. Your kingdom is the rock on which I stand. From generations past to those to come, over the silent graves and the rising sun. Hosanna, you are Lord of all. Hosanna, you are Lord of all. Whether I live or die, I am yours. Through the valley or the heights, I am yours. You are Lord of the living, Lord of the dead. The power of the grave is broken, just as you said. The Christ who was slain is the King who rose. Forever yours, I am forever yours. For to this end Christ died and rose again, that he might be the Lord of every man, over the sleeping and over those who wake. I am yours. Forever